Yo, what's up YouTube guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Valorant on your mobile device, guys. This works for iPhone or Android. You do not need a key. You do not need a right account. I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. I'm going to show you this application called Valorant++. You're going to be able to download and you connect to PC servers, or you can play against other mobile players. Before we go into the video, guys, I do want to mention I'm doing a huge Visa gift card giveaway. If you guys want to win this $250 Visa gift card, it's free. All you got to do is like, subscribe, and then comment down below why you want it. I'll pick one lucky winner in the comments, and yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to get Valorant++, which is the actual application that will enable you to play Valorant right on your mobile device, guys. This works for iPhone and Android. I've seen other tutorials that don't actually explain it right, so I'll make sure to explain it fully to you, so you guys get Valorant++, so you can start playing on your mobile device. All you want to do is go to Safari. You're going to be going to this website right here, odexgen.com. Basically, this website is known as a third-party app store, guys. What that means is they're not going to allow a free Valorant copy on the main app store, right? So you got to go to this website, download it here, so that way you guys can start playing. So all you want to do is find the Valorant++ application. You can scroll down here, or we can just use this handy-dandy search bar, type in Valorant, or just Valo, that would work. And you can see it right there, Valorant++. We're going to click install. Again, the website's odexgen.com. And right here it says play Valorant on mobile and optional. They have an optional cloud-based hack such as aimbot ESP on so that we can activate it on your mobile device. So that's obviously optional. We're not going to turn that on. But we're going to tap iOS start download. And it's going to say processing your request. It's basically going to request the app file so that we can download it from the actual app store, or from their app store, so that we can download it on your phone. If you're on Android, it'll download an APK file, but we're on iPhone, so it's going to do the mobile config stuff. Just give it a second. And we just wait a second. All right, right here it says please verify manually. So guys, all we have to do is do a manual verification, and we're good to download Valorant++. So you're going to tap the verify now button. And you're going to see this page pop up. I've seen a lot of different verifications that don't actually explain it right and how it works, so I'm going to make sure I explain it properly. So there's going to be 3 offers on this page. All you have to do is verify that you're human, and by doing so, you're good to go. You're going to be able to download Valorant++, which will enable you to play on your phone. So there's going to be 3 offers here. All we got to do is download and open each application. That loading bar will turn to a download now button. We tap the download now button. Valorant++ will begin a download, which will enable us to play right on our mobile phone. You have to have Wi-Fi or actual cell connection for this to work. If not, it won't work. It won't let you play on your phone. So all you got to do is tap one of these free apps, press OK. We're going to complete all 3 offers. So we're going to be downloading and opening each application. So we're going to be finding Word with Friends. I already have it downloaded because I have Valorant++ because I played it. We're going to open it up for 30 seconds. Alright guys, after 30 seconds, guys, you go back to Safari, right here. You download the second app, the third app, and after you complete all 3 apps and open each one for 30 seconds, guys, that loading bar will turn to a download now button. You're going to be able to download Valorant++, as you can see right there. It's going to enable you to play Valorant right on your mobile phone. It's very easy to do. If you guys have any questions about this verification or the website, let me know in the comments. I love helping people out, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, by now you should have gotten Valorant++. All you have to do is open it up, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's like any game application. You just open it up and you're able to start playing. You can connect your current Riot account, or you can make a new one, and it'll automatically assign a key based on your phone using the algorithm and database, stuff like that. If you guys need any help, let me know in the comment section down below. Just make sure you like and subscribe. That way I can help you out. I'm only going to help my supporters out. I'm not going to help random people. But if you guys do need help, like, subscribe, and then comment down below what kind of issues you're facing. I'll help you out personally. I'll comment back to you. And if you guys do want to enter my Visa gift card giveaway, $250. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and comment down below as well. So it's a win-win if you need help or if you just want this Visa gift card.